Oh, sita kiti ni kuki nenguang anan ki just song ni kiti ni.
Kingete? At this time, you know my story about in my birth and everything is a bit complicated. Amo ki ane gisik chosan. My parent, my mother kuki made. So that is the story. And then kogi mama nanyo ipega si lodua alienda wa all over. But now the thing about you not know, nginya this part about this song. Kokiotini out of what I've been seeing, what people go through. But little did I know that even my father passed on. Ki mana.
Kiteitia.
Ki that was the year 2013. 2013 so. 2013. 2013 is when nilijua kwetu. Yes. Na hata wakati nilifika kile nikisita baba ni 1992.
What do you mean?
Yes. Me I never met with my father. Mimi nimeona tu picha peke yake.
What?
Picha inakecheka cha kiara.
Kumbe umestruggle hii time.
Yes.
Tako mimi mama?
Mimi the mama.
Mother
yako sawa baba mother yako. Alikuwa juzi wakati wa anniversary. Kiwe tight program angekuwa introduce but I think sometimes back I posted her. And people walimshabikia sana I think. She had a problem with the mouth. Kiyepo kwa meaning. But then huyu pa Uganda my mother. Jep konya. But the mother kipo apichota kwa Kenya ule. So wajomba jajo kuchun paka mama pa in Sabi. Yes, Sabi people for my uncle. Yeah. It has never been easy because I remember even my grandfather sometimes back rejected me. I would let maybe don't even. May I keep out of rejection about my father. I call stepfather now. He gave to my mother. Rejected me. Kingo rejected na. I stayed for 1 year. Ki mana ale kumbe mama nanyo mana langa mapa window. But then I was focusing. Yes. Then I was concentrating kumrudisha amugi kasiri kama mama. Then mother alikuwa amekuja nyumbani kawa hapo. Then mimi nikawa nimekuwa kijana mkubwa around ngawa mite class 4 class 5. Nilikuwa naenda kwenda class 5. Mimi nikaambia mother I think nimechoka nataka kwetu. So kumeleja mother ulingwangat ko uling kapchera bolin. Ma wendi ba mi lot of set the process ya kufanya nini. Kumbe maana yale kume I don't belong to that family. Until when I was treated differently. I stayed for 1 year without going to school. So it has never been so easy.
What?
So okay.
So ni guskong 17 years to guy
and the life behind it is God. Actually it is God. One thing I know. That is I don't even gamble that thing. God loves me. I will never ever gamble that thing.